Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to apply for Sephora return. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? To apply for a Sephora return, you must return new or gently used products within 30 days of purchase for a full refund to the original payment method. Items returned after 30 days and up to 60 days may be eligible for store credit. A proof of purchase, so receipt, order confirmation email, or Beauty Insider account lookup is required. So there are two methods that you can go ahead and do so. First is going to be in-store returns, which is going to be the fastest method. Visit any freestanding Sephora store, bring the products and your proof of purchase, the receipt, packing slip, or order confirmation email on your phone, and then simply go ahead and talk to the person who's there. The second is going to be by mail, which is for online purchases only. Simply go ahead into your order history on your application right over here, as you can see, and then select the application or select the thing that you want to return, and then click on start a return. Then print the prepaid return shipping label provided, place the item in the manufacturer's product box, and securely package it. Drop the package at a FedEx location. It can take up to 30 days to process returns by mail. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.